Eid Mubarak, Your Excellency.
Eid Mubarak.
All right, Muslims have gone through this obligation for 29 days. What will be your message to them?
Well, we should give thanks to Almighty Allah. We saw the beginning, we started together, and we are ending together in good health and in happiness, in prayers for our country, for all our people. We should continue the good deed as taught by the holy month of Ramadan. Care for the vulnerable, the orphans, the less privileged, everything that we have observed. We should not revert to the path that is not acceptable with the teaching of this man. That's what I pray for.